Welcome to readmeproject.com.
Project title: Learning-based Super Resolution Land Cover Mapping. Now we are going to see the abstract of our project. In this project, we have doing the enhancement work of the base paper. Nowadays, MapReduce programming model is focused since it is suitable for distributed large-scale data processing with some constraints and properties. Over the last few years, organizations across public and private sectors have made a strategic decision to turn big data into competitive advantage. The challenge of extracting value from big data is similar in many ways to the old age problem of distilling business intelligence from transactional data. At the heart of this challenge is the process used to extract data from multiple sources, transform it to fit your analytical needs, and load it into a data warehouse for subsequent analysis. A process known as extract, transform, and load. This is our enhancement process, that is ETL. The Hadoop Distributed File System, that is HDFS, is the storage component of Hadoop. It is designed to reliably store very large datasets on clusters and to stream those data at high throughput to user applications. The nature of big data requires that the infrastructure for this process can scale cost effectively. Hadoop has emerged as the de facto standard for managing big data. This white paper examines some of the platform hardware and software considerations in using Hadoop for ETL. The results of an experimental analysis using a SVM classifier on datasets of different sizes for different cluster configurations demonstrate the potential of the tool, as well as aspects that affect its performance. The final result shows that the proposed approach tackles the practical problems in the context of big data. Now we are going to see the flow of our project. First, we have to process the raw data. That is, we have to choose the dataset which we are going to implement. Then after that, we have to load on the database. Then pre-processing is executed in that the null values and the repeated redundant values are eliminated and it selected the exact dataset. After that, the feature selection is processed. The pure dataset is selected as the features. Then the ETL process is executed, that is extract, transform, load process is executed. In this ETL process, there are two classification are processed. First, the existing classification, then the Hadoop classification. In this process, it classifies the data and it performs the disaster management process. The final performance result is going to compare the existing classification model and the proposed classification model. Now we are going to see our output demo. This is our project disaster management. From the home page itself we have to run. So right click on the home page and give run on Hadoop. So choose this VMware and click finish. Now our process is running. So this is our home page. Our process is an improved learning based disaster management in big data. To start our process, click on this image. We have to execute the two processes, that is existing and also the Hadoop process. So first we are going to execute the existing ETL process. So choose the file. So the choose to file is loaded here. Next we have to load the dataset in the database. So file is loaded successfully. Now viewed here. Next we have to start the pre-process. Here the null values are removed from the dataset. If you viewed means the pure dataset after removing the null values is displayed. Next we have to process the extraction. So after extracted we have the floods, earthquake and cyclone. Each disaster have separate data. So next we have to calculate the disaster details, that is extraction rate, So this is the graph result for our extraction rate. So this is the result of the existing work. Then for the Hadoop, choose the file. So this is our file name. Then view means the data set is viewed here. Next we have to pre-process. Next we have to upload the file and the Hadoop. So click upload. The file is uploaded now on the Hadoop environment. File is uploaded on successfully. Then we have to process the MapReduce. The MapReduce is displayed in the console window. It takes some time to get MapReduce. So for the Hadoop process, we have must do the MapReduce. Now the MapReduce is completed. So next we have to process the extraction process. So give the earthquake and flood means the only these are executed, and severe result and normal result are executed here. And for year wise also we can extract, and for country wise also we can extract here. So next we have to see the result. So this is the severe and normal rate for the disaster. Then for performance matrices, we can click here and see the performance of the comparison of existing and the Hadoop PTL. So next we have to get the CPU utilization, that is for the existing and the proposed process. So this is our existing and proposed comparison file size and speed. That's all. The demo is completed now. Thank you for watching this video.